Welcome to Lochinvar's world headquarters in Lebanon, Tennessee. I'm Jeff Follett II.
And I'm Paul Roars. And today we'd like to introduce to you a distinct new product that supports Lochinvar's leadership position in the industry.
That's right, Paul. The Stratotherm Plus solar thermal storage tank will further position Lochinvar and our products as a leader in the industry. It's another innovative product that offers unique solutions in modern solar thermal, hydronic, and water heating applications.
Well, Jeff, this obviously is a distinct new product. It's certainly different than any other solar tank that I've seen before. Can you guide us through what's different about this tank and how it operates?
Well, Paul, it is different. It's an engineered solar solution which integrates and interfaces three different systems. These systems include solar thermal, domestic hot water, and space heating. Let's discuss these three major components and illustrate how the systems work together. On the left side of the storage tank is an externally mounted spherical heat exchanger, which includes an internal copper coil used for transferring solar thermal energy from the collectors to the tank. The storage tank is an ASME unlined vessel which contains hydronic heating water and acts as a buffer tank or hydraulic separator for the space heating system. Finally, on the inside of the storage tank is a large diameter corrugated 316L stainless steel coil. It's used to produce domestic hot water. Think of it as a reverse indirect water heater.
I see. So this product ties the three different systems together, that being solar thermal, domestic hot water, and space heating. So Jeff, what I'm hearing is stratification is very valuable to the performance of this product. Can we dig a little deeper and talk about stratification and the benefits that it brings to the table?
Well, Stratotherm Plus, as the name implies, is indicative of stratification. This is an important design aspect of this product. Without the need of an additional circulator, the design relies on the natural buoyancy of hot water to rise to the top of the tank, and this also allows the coolest water to fall to the bottom of the tank, or stratify. Let's take a look at how the stratification plays into the three different functions of this tank. Focusing first on the spherical heat exchanger, we use the stratification to our benefit by increasing the amount of time that the solar thermal collector can harvest BTUs. I believe you will agree, the longer the collector harvests BTUs, the less BTUs are required by the boiler, therefore increasing your return on investment.
So Jeff, what I'm hearing you say is that the spherical heat exchanger is key to the performance of transferring solar thermal energy from the collectors to the tank. So Jeff, how does this tank transition from solar loading to also being used as a buffer tank on the hydronic heating side?
The buffer tank, or hydraulic separator, is an increasingly important component in closed-loop heating systems. With the importance of hydraulically separating primary flow from secondary flow, the strategic tappings of the Stratotherm Plus optimizes the flow path of the tank to function as a buffer and hydraulic separator. What this means is the tank works to correct the natural imbalance and fluctuation of the heat load versus boiler input. Let's look at the strategically placed tappings on the side of the tank to see how the boiler and heat emitters interface with the tank. Here we have boiler supply and return connections which allow decoupling of the boilers from the system demand. Additionally, we have designed the tank to accommodate multiple temperature systems by supplying heating water from near the top of the tank to ensure the space heating load is met, and keeping the tank stratified by returning lower temperature water to the bottom of the tank.
The tank does a remarkable job of unifying solar and closed-loop hydronic systems, but there is a third component that we have not discussed, which handles domestic hot water production. Jeff, tell us more about that.
Well, Paul, the large diameter stainless steel coil internal to the tank contains potable water, which is indirectly heated via solar thermal and boiler backup BTUs as the water passes through the inside of the coil. This reverse indirect water heater design can provide continuous draws of over 2,100 gallons per hour.
Interesting. Jeff, this tank is truly placing Lochinvar in a leadership position for easily integrating the production of domestic water, the buffering and hydraulic separation of space heating loads, all the while optimizing the efficiency of solar harvesting.
I'm glad you see it that way, Paul. Lochinvar's Stratotherm Plus storage tank is available in sizes of 125 to 900 gallons. These models are poised to provide installation convenience, energy efficiency performance, and years of service to our customer. For more information on the Stratotherm Plus storage tank, please visit our website at www.lochinvar.com.